everybody! Welcome back to G Bear's Off-Grid Ways, a homestead in the desert. And I'm out here in the shop, and I kept the overhead door closed because it's windy and cold again outside. I've been gone all day. I left here at 9:40 or so, and I had an appointment at 12, but I had to go pick up some dog food for the dogs first. And I said, well, I've never been to this place before, so I better go see where it is so I know. And funny thing is, it ended up being right across the street from where I used to go to a gold prospecting store. And I bought my sluice box, not this one, but the other one that I've modified. This one down here, and I added this part on the top for making a high banker. But yeah, that bottom one I got from them. It was two women that ran the place, and my friend Andy was there with me one time. He bought a rock hammer or something, and anyway, it's in the right across the street from that. And the parking lot that they're in is right across the street from where I had the repairs done, and it went off without a hitch. They did a great job. The van runs great. It seems like I'm driving a new vehicle right now. It's so quiet and so smooth running. It's amazing. So anyway, let's get back to the What Is It Wednesday tool. This is the toolkit I showed. And what is it? Well, it's a carpet install tool, or linoleum tool. It's for flooring. And this handle, you can see it's got a slot in it, and it's got three little beads down there that match it with these holes. And this is the release right here for the beads. Okay, and then this right here, this Allen head screw, that's to tighten it down a little bit more if you want it to hold a little stronger. So these curved ones are for when you kick the carpet over towards the wall and you got the baseboard there. Well, you set your carpet tack strips out a good inch away from the wall, but you want to tuck your carpet over the top of those hooks on the carpet tack strip and under the baseboard. So that's what those are for. Okay. And then you use this upside down and you drag it along the top of the carpet over the tack strip, and it bends the tacks down so that if you're barefoot, you step close to the wall, you don't get carpet tacks from tack strip in your feet. It'll bend those down. It also helps hold on to the carpet a little bit better. And these are for just tucking it in other positions. And of course, this is for pulling out the old nails and tack strip that's in. And these are when you get to linoleum. These are so when you tuck it into the corners, you can make either a square off cut or a round off cut and get it tucked up to the wall really nice. Anyway, that's the tool from yesterday. So we had 3 people get it right. I haven't checked yet today to see if anybody else did, because like I said, I was in town getting the van worked on. But I'll check just before I post this video, and then I'll add the names of the people that got it right and the people that got their name on the spin wheel, because we got one more week on next Wednesday for the What Is It Wednesday. One more tool to go. And then the following week or the weekend will be for doing the drawing live. And hopefully I'll have that live situation repaired by then. I'll do some testing on it in between now and then. But I got to work tomorrow. I got a job for one of the neighbors up the road. They've got 2 RVs there, and they got people living in the RVs. So the one of the RVs, water heater went out, and I just did a water heater for the other one a few weeks back. So they were trying to figure out what to do, and I said, well, I can just run a new line off of the water heater I already put in, because it's a 20-gallon. It's big enough for a little RV like that. So it wouldn't be overwhelming the water heater to run two of those units for 4 people. You know, a 20-gallon water heater will work for 4 people in a family. So anyway, that's what I'm going to do. And here's old Blackie. He's the one that was injured. And he's getting around a little bit better now. He's feeling a little bit better. But when I rub his head up here, I can feel he got some bites on him. So they really attacked him bad. But I'm not going to let that happen again. Right, Blackie? Right, buddy? You want to stay inside here for the night where it's warm? You can have this for your whole house if you want. Let's go down here and close off the lights. I could leave a light on for him in here if he decides he wants to stay in here. Because he's healing. He doesn't want to get into any scraps with anybody. But he's being real careful about eating and stuff because, of course, he's got to use those parts of his body that got damaged to go to the bathroom. And I'm sure that doesn't feel good. Right, buddy? All right. So we got this all taken care of out here, huh? All right. You want to come outside or you want to stay in here? I think you want to go outside and see your little kin pups, huh? See how your little pups are doing? Yeah, so turbine's humming away up there. All right, that's locked up. I can go inside. And I'm going to have our garlic chicken wings, crispy, with garlic salt, paprika, black pepper. That sounds good. And I'll have some vegetables with it too. So after I take care of this plumbing job tomorrow, I'm going to get to doing my own stuff here and getting some of the things taken care of a little bit better. My 2 crows over there, I named them Heckle and Jekyll. They're new residents. They hang out here. And then I've got the pigeons hanging around. They show up morning and afternoon. And I've got about 200 of the little sparrows hanging around here. So, you guys got plenty of food left on the table here, you know. What do you think about this, Blackie? Hey. All right. Hey, you got some cuts on your head, too. You were involved in that scrap, weren't you? Yep, and there's Doggy Daddy coming to get his head scratched. All right. There's a tail going around for you. The tail goes in a circle. Yeah. All right, well, I'm going to call this one a day and head inside. Let's see if I got a joke for you today. Let's think. Oh, I had a friend that had a doctor appointment, and when he got back, we met for a beer or two, and I said, so how did everything go at the doctor's? He says, well, I'm not sure. I don't know what HD is, but my doctor said I had 80 of them. 80 HD. All right, everybody. Whoa. All right. Thanks for watching. This is G Bear signing off.